Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel Apple Guruji. Today I'll bypass the iCloud lock or activation lock on an iPhone 6s. Watch the video completely and follow the same steps to bypass iCloud lock or activation lock on your iPhones and iPads. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you need the files, use the download links given in the video description. Follow me on Instagram at Apple Guruji. You can now see that this iPhone 6s is currently iCloud activation locked. Connect your iPhone and click on the Start button. Your iPhone enters recovery mode. Click on Start option again and follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone to DFU mode. As soon as the iPhone enters DFU mode, the jailbreaking process starts. Wait for it to complete. Your iPhone turns on automatically. Now, open the text file which contains the codes. Open a terminal window. Copy the first command and paste it in the terminal window. If it asks for a password, enter the password of your Mac. Once it says, "Installation successful," close the terminal window and open a new one. Copy-paste the next set of commands as shown in the video. Once you enter the iProxy command, open a new window and copy-paste the next set of commands. If you get the host key verification failed error, type open_ssh and click enter. Delete the known hosts file and restart the process. Copy the command shown and paste it again. Once you enter the kill all command, the iPhone resprings. Your iPhone is now iCloud bypassed. You can use all the applications and download new applications using the App Store. You can even restart your iPhone without any problem. It is a permanent bypass method. If you need a jailbreak, open the CheckRain application and install Cydia. You will find all the jailbreak applications in the Cydia. Hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel Apple Guruji for more such videos on iCloud bypass. Use the link given in the description to download the files. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on Instagram. Many of you were asking me to restart the phone after the bypass. Let me do that and show you what happens after the phone is restarted. The phone is completely usable with all the applications and features working. This proves that this method is a permanent iCloud bypass method. I hope you all got the answers you were looking for. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.